about 45 degrees today. I'm actually going to put the infrared lamp on this thing for about 10 minutes, distance of about 12 inches. Here's a closer look for you. And I think this primer probably would cure up in about 20 minutes, but why wait? You know, if you got the lamp. Alright, so now we're on ms.formulaexpress.com, and in the OEM color code section we'll just enter 1E3, which I found in the door jamb of the Camry. Go. And what it's saying here is, well, it's available as a Gulfstream motorhome or a Scion or a Toyota. And the years that it was available. This happens to be a 2003 Camry, so because Toyota 1E3 in 2003 make this the closest match to the car that I'm working on, I'll select that option. And apparently we only have one available formula, but you should always select the standard formula. It may give you a warning about security certificates. Proceed anyways. Of course, the login is paintformulas@appliedcolors.com, and the password is BumperPro. Alright, now it's telling me no results found, so I think I'll X out this Phantom Gray Pearl here. And okay, now it's giving me a multitude of choices here. Really all you got to do is find the paint code for 1E3. It could be for Scion, it could be for Toyota. Just as long as it falls into the date range of the car that you're working on. This is a 2003. So it looks like the exterior part of the car, paint code 1E3, 1986 to 2008, that definitely fits the car that I'm working on. So we'll select that option. And we will select the standard chip. So here is our formula, and we want to change the amount for this bumper corner. We're probably going to we're going to aim for 1.5 ounces, so that means that we set the quantity to ounces, and the units to ounces, and then we set the amount to 1.5. Excuse me, 1.5. go. Okay, so that's 15 ounces for this particular Phantom Gray. And here's all of the toners that it's calling for and the cumulative amount. So we're just going to move the decimal point 1 point over and mix it on the scale at 16.9, 20.9, 233.3, etc. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes and we'll check in on our primer here. And it feels pretty good, so turn this guy off and we'll get on to wet sanding